A drizzle of olive oil. Add 1 chopped eggplant. Let it brown well. Add salt. Add black pepper. Set aside for now. In the same pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Sauté the spring onions for a few minutes. Set aside with the eggplant. Sauté 5 chopped garlic cloves. 400 grams of grated tomato. Add the grated tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of sugar. Add chili flakes. Add salt. Add black pepper. A small drizzle of white wine vinegar. Sauté for 10 minutes. Add the coriander. Mix with the eggplant. Sprinkle a little coriander on top. Enjoy your meal.